Here we go on another job. And if you can kind of see what's going on with this floor, this is getting replaced, believe it or not. But we're gonna be putting a vinyl plank in here, but they had some water damage. The refrigerator or the dishwasher, I'm not sure which one was leaking. I think it was the dishwasher. Ended up leaking all underneath here and just kind of got wicked through. But I want to kind of show you the process here. This is what I like sharing because everybody does things a little bit different. But this is my project right here. And it's a movable kitchen island. I've got a couple appliances I'm going to have to move around. But with vinyl plank, we should be okay. Address the closet doors. But first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the base moldings, label them, number them, get all the nails pulled out of them. And then what I'll do is from there, I'll just start demoing the floor. I'll probably demo this portion of the floor first, and then I can just move this stuff all over here. I try not to take as much stuff. It's just me working, so I try not to have to take out as much stuff as I possibly can because it's just a lot of work to go through doorways. But like with the stove, or excuse me, the refrigerator and the stove, I should be able to just remove those and put them back. So I'm gonna take you along this little journey. You know, I'm probably not gonna give you a whole lot of tips on how I do it, but I just want to show you how an install goes, you know, for a man in a van. You know, a lot of you out there probably work like me, and so I like to show you how I do it. And there's more than one way to do it, but yeah, let's just get started. All right, guys, so I've got baseboard off. I want to show this here. I like to number my baseboard, or number the wall, and then I also like to put a number on the baseboard. Now, these two pieces are here is because this is notorious with oak. These small pieces, they crack up, the nails get shot through, they split the oak, and then when you go to take it off, the damn baseboard breaks. Two ways that I found to fix it that are pretty easy. This one, you can just get some real small little clamps, wood glue, super glue, clamp them together. Or like this one here, I don't know if you can see, this is why I don't like super glue. See that? I got to dig that out of there. But you can super glue that piece back together and then use something like this. It just accelerates the setup time on the super glue or CA glue, whatever you want to call it. It does work. But this is why I don't like it right there. I just noticed it because of the camera now, so I got to scrape that out. I like wood glue because it cleans up with water. But anyways, let's see what we got here. So I've been moving stuff around. Baseboard is all off. Base shoes all off. It's always good to take note too, guys, when you're doing this. If something breaks, if something's missing. So for instance, this piece of cabinetry here had nothing on it. I'm actually just going to bring them out some base shoe. I might just put some unfinished pine on that. I'll see if she's okay with that. And then what they can do is they can just paint it white. Same thing here. Same thing here. So now we're going to move stuff over. I'm going to, again, I believe I want to start kind of right in here. I'll just kind of slide stuff over, demo this. He's got a trailer out here I can throw stuff on and then slide everything over and demo it. Now, let's go. Got the vinyl plank in. I decided out of hell with it. I'm just going to leave that stuff over there. I'll move it out. I ain't going to get this all done today anyways, so I can move it over later. But check out that vinyl. That thing is sharp. So I'm going to decide to start right here. I'll work that a little bit backwards. Got everything cut, door jambs checked out, good. They're just a little bit higher. Most of them are. They're just a little bit higher than the actual floor, so we're just going to leave it. That's going to be good enough. These are the only ones, and I'm not sure why they cut them so high, but it is what it is. I'm not going to, we talked about that. We're just going to leave them. Yeah, we're gonna get to going here. I've got a couple hours and then I got to get to a meeting, but it's all about the prep work, baby. Get that floor ready and then start dropping them in. Boom. making it happen in the kitchen. So yeah, I've just been kind of moving stuff around. Man in a van with a plan. That rhymes. But we're getting after it. So the plan is today just to get this finished up. And tomorrow come in, put in some base. I'm gonna have to do some, I think I'm gonna have to peel some, whatchamacallit, vinyl plank and make some transitions out of wood, just because of those heights there. But this should, it's actually going, this is going together pretty good. It's just moving stuff around. As all you know, this is the big thing with an installation like this, where you got to move, you know, you can't get anything out of the room. The appliances are in here. Every move you make, it's got to be intentional, and you got to pay attention. I mean, that's just it. You can't be ramrodding 1,000 miles an hour. And biggity bam, we are done. Everything's put back together. Vinyl floor all day. I had some unfinished base shoe that I added in there for them. But yeah, all in all, floor turned out great. Young family, busy family, decided to use metals instead of the transitions. Let's face it, guys, those transitions they send, those PVC things are junk. I mean, they're just gonna bust up. So even on the stairs, what I did is you pre-drill. All you do is you just pre-drill a hole a little bit bigger in your vinyl plank underneath there, and that way that piece can move back and forth like that. You can still nail it. Plus, it matches the rest of the steps there. So, nice looking floor. I'm all done. On to the next one. And let's go.